Okay, so it's been a few days and multiple explanations for that. For one, Aaron came over, we started working back on Old Blue, those of you who have been following along with that. Hopefully some new content coming up on that. But in the meantime, this thing was driving me nuts. He showed up, he's like, what are you working on? And I showed him, I was like, hey man, this car is giving me all the problems. So he dives into it and both of us are just getting our butts kicked. Getting our butts kicked, and he's like, man, I feel like there's a ground issue, this, that, and the other. Anyway, the code we're throwing is a P1300, if I'm not mistaken, okay? And just want to show you guys why it's important to be very thorough and like peel back. So just to back up again, it's been a few days, so I was waiting to go get parts. The throttle body that I got from, yeah, shout out to you, Mr. Ubeta at Moose Performance, okay? Over in Cokeville, Texas, because I took the throttle body that I purchased from him and traded it for some other parts, thinking that this was our problem, because all I'm finding online, P1300 1300 codes is this. And he went ahead and threw me in a factory map sensor, kind of more or less make the deal, you know. Shout out to you, man, because you're a real one. Most people wouldn't do that. But anyway, I went and got these parts. Today is Tuesday. Last I worked on this was Saturday. Aaron, the other day, was pulling back the loom to try to get the wires exposed that are going into the ignition control module, which is that piece there, okay? This is the new mass airflow I just got. It's not new, but new to me. And then anyway, so I come out here, I'm like, ooh, I'm excited. Let me peel this loom back just a little bit further so I can unplug this, you know, out of the wire harness side, out of the ignition control module. Lo and behold, I peel back a little bit, I'm like, oh, one of these wires has been repaired. Not only has it been repaired, but its other end is not even in the connector. So this right here, this might be my freaking problem single-handedly. I'm not saying this is gonna fix it, but what I'm going to do is I'm gonna repair this wire the correct way, and then before I put this new ignition control module on the car, I'm gonna try it. So I fixed that little wiring issue. I did it the correct way, and by the correct way I mean the heat shrink connectors and then heat shrinked over it, the pull test, the whole nine. Now it's a moment of truth. So let's see if we can get it started. I have my wife filming me this time because last time was not a good angle. So let's try this. Okay, unfortunately, it is now running, but unfortunately for me, it is late and this thing is pulsing, so that's gonna be a tomorrow problem. So for now though, that is progress. So yeah, it'll be a second for you. It'll be, you know, a tomorrow for me. See you guys tomorrow. I just got the part, been a few days, so let me show you guys. No more pulsing idle. Finally! So progress. There she is, running without freaking high revving and low dipping idle. So what I did to fix that is I swapped out the throttle body position sensor. Brand new one, like $100 from AutoZone. Not sponsored obviously, because if I was, I wouldn't have paid $100. But go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's if y'all need that part. But that fixed my pulsating idle. And then as far as my P1300 code, what fixed that was, like I said, somebody attempted to do some wiring repair in here and they didn't do a good job at it. So but it's heat shrink, it's good to go. But it was that one right there that you see kind of bundled up. That I guess we call it gray and black. Anyway, progress. The IS is running. She's not revving, but nonetheless, full introduction. Excuse me, full introduction on the IS300, and we at least have made progress. Now, pretty sure I said at the beginning of the video, I'll probably at this point, because it's been so many dang days that I've been filming this, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car. It's kind of like the BMW. I have no clue what I'm gonna do with it. I picked it up for cheap. I may keep it, play with it for a while. I may end up selling it, I don't know. But for right now, it's progress. Those of you who made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. As always, if you haven't already, go check out some of the other videos. And those of you who've been tagging along, waiting on OBS content, that is definitely in progress, even though it looks like it's just collecting dust and crap. I promise you, there's progress being made on that. Videos are coming soon with that. Anyways, back to it. If you made it this far, again, I appreciate it. And hey, we'll see you on the next one. Adios.
Does that answer your question? Sincerely yours, The Breakfast Club.
Don't